If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Renegade Limited in Colorado Red. With LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 63,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7377.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.